good. So this is the second part. This is the work we did today. Remembering you need to identify the subject, the verb, and the object. The object always becomes the subject. For example, I do my homework, it's present simple, so we just need to add the verb to be. My homework is. My homework is, and then we need to take the main verb and change it to the past participle. It's these little present and past verbs that are challenging, because you need to remember that it's my homework is, New Bowl College is, a car was if it's past. Past continuous, it was being danced in. So we just need to remember to use that little verb to be in the right way. This was the most challenging sentence of our time today. Future perfect, it's challenging because it has the auxiliary verb will, that's the future bit, the auxiliary verb have, that's the perfect bit, and then the main verb. And then you need to take all that, play about with it, and add the verb to be in the right way. So he will have written a book by the end of the year. A book, that's the object, will have, add the verb to be in the right way. It's perfect, so it needs to be been. And then the main verb, which is already the same. Then making sure you add the rest of the words in. You don't leave out a little word like the or anything like that. And remember, this has caused problems today. Putting the old subject at the end causes problems, so just leave it out. So some of the problems here, by I, no, it's absolutely wrong. She had done her work had been done by her, it just sounded wrong. Just leave off the old subject. And that's passive.